Hi guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show you the easiest way to create an iPhone or an ipodtouch ringtone. This is the easiest way, and this is step by step. Alright. First, you have to go to the song, right click on it. So everybody should know. For the ringtone should be just 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. Alright, so I put the start time. 0.13 add-on 30, it's gonna be 0.43. Okay, now you have to make a right click, create AAC version. Now it's being converting. Alright, I have the song here. You can listen for it and you can look, it's just 30 seconds. Alright, now what we're gonna do, minimize everything, drag the song from here to the desktop. Alright, now you will have the song. It should be in M4A format. So what we're gonna do, make right click, rename, and delete the M4A, make it M4R. Alright, now I have here as an M4R. Click on it. That's it. So sometimes it's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to converting it? You just have to click yes. And now, alright, now I have my iPhone, should be connected. I'm just trying to holding the phone, and alright. I'm waiting for my iPhone to be shown here. Cancel. Alright, so I get my iPhone here. So there is a ringtones part here. Look, all what we're gonna do, just drag the song from the desktop to this place, to ringtones. Then that's it. Now you have to open your iPhone and go to settings, sounds, ringtone. It should be there. That's it. And for any more questions, anything, any suggestions, you can I'll put the link in the description, and you can ask any question you want, and I hope that I can help you with it. I'm sure I can help you with it. Have a nice day, guys.